Welcome children. A 200 turn circular coil of radius 2 cm is placed coaxially within a long solenoid of 3 cm radius. If the turn density of the solenoid is 90 turns per centimeter, then calculate mutual inductance of the coil and the solenoid. Here you have the circular coil with the number of turns 200 and it has a radius equals 2 centimeter, and this is the solenoid, and it has a number density N2 equals 90 turns per centimeter. It has to be converted into SI unit. The path. The mutual inductance of the second coil with respect to the first coil equals mu naught N1 N2 A2. This formula maybe looks new to you. Right, for every problem in mutual inductance you have to derive a special situation formula. Good. We will be learning how we get this particular formula little later. The solution. Number of turns per centimeter in the outer solenoid is 90 turns per centimeter. It has to be converted into SI unit equals 9000 turns per meter. Then the number of turns in the inner circular coil is N2, which equals 200 turns. Then the radius of the inner coil is given very clearly. It is 2 centimeter, writing it in SI unit, 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Then the area of the inner coil, we know that A2 equals pi R2 square, and substituting the value 2 in this formula with pi as 3.14, we get A2 as 12.56 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Let us write this in the diagram. So now we have to know what are all the terms will be used in our formula. The first one is the N1, the second one is N2, the third one is A2. Let us collect all this. Good. The flux linked with the second coil with respect to the first coil equals B1 N2 A2. B1 is the magnetic induction due to first coil, N2 and A2 related to the second coil. N2 is the number of turns in the second coil, A2 is the area of the second coil. Good. Now, the B1 is replaced as mu naught N1 I1 multiplies N2 A2. According to the definition of mutual inductance, phi 21 equals M21 I1. Here we are going to cancel I1 and I1. When we cancel I1, we get an equation on mutual inductance of the pair of coils. So M21 equals mu naught times N1 N2 A2. Good. Now you understood how we get this formula. Let us substitute the data mu naught, the permeability of the medium inside the solenoid, that's air medium, equals 4 into 10 power 3.14 into 10 power minus 7, and we know what is the value of N1. N1 is how much? It is small n1 is 9000, capital N2 is 200. We are substituting all this, and A2 has 12.56 in 10 power minus 4. Good. And a simple linear multiplication, we can calculate very easily this value. M2 equals 2.84 millihenry. Thank you, children.